How to reset Messenger pin code. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To reset the Messenger pin code, you can tap open your Messenger application. Make sure your Messenger is up to date. Once you have successfully logged into your Messenger, in your top left corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. You need to tap on it. From here, click on the setting gear icon. Now scroll down until you see the option of privacy and safety and click on this given option. Under security, tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on the option of message storage. Here you will see the option of reset pin. Tap on this option. Then just go ahead and create a brand new pin for you. So this is how you can easily reset your Messenger pin. If the feature is not available for you, you need to go ahead and check for an update in your Play Store or App Store. Just launch your Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger. If you find any of the update button, make sure to update your app. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.